Yeah guys, good morning. Welcome, it's Blaze again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel on the Tree Mechanic. Stay tuned to my channel, like and subscribe to my video on the Tree Mechanic. Check me out on YouTube. Alright guys, so we're in the engine room. So today what we're gonna do, head gasket, water pump and this car. As you can see, I already moved these spark plug wires out of the way. So I just is lightning. It's a little tricky job, but it's not the worst. So I'm gonna just try to get in there, get out. Okay, these guys. Alright guys, so basically what we're gonna do today, we're gonna move power steering pump, exhaust guard, distributor, gonna pull the valve cover. The alternator around in the back and pull out, so get it out of the way. Alrighty guys, we out here. Look around in the back. I don't think that's gonna be no problem with this. I ain't gonna do too much. Pretty much just gonna ease the head up a little and just change this gasket. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna just down here you can see the tensioner. So yeah guys, we're back here. You can see I got the head the head lift up a little bit. It was just a little water pump job, but I said I'm gonna go ahead and take the head gasket out. You can see I got the head lift up a little bit. All cleaned up a little. I'm gonna put the head gasket on. Got the water pump off, gonna put that on back in a little second. Old timing and everything. And yeah guys, you gotta this bracket right around here that connect to the alternator also connect to the water pump. So remember that to get the water pump out, you gotta lay back that bracket. But to do the old timing, it was just changing the belt or something like that. And just a head gasket, then you would have to move that. You can just lift everything up without moving that bracket right there. But yeah, I got the car top dead center. Exhaust gotta move. And as I said, to do this job I didn't do much more than just ease the head up a little bit so I can access the head gasket, get it out and put on the new one, just to be on the safe side. But to be honest, it was just a water pump job. Look right here. Right where the thermostat at. Down here you can't see too much, but right where that little split at right there, the thermostat down there, somebody put a smaller screw so under pressure that fly loose cause the car to overheat. But yeah guys, it's not a rocket scientist job. The car didn't run at all, but it was running earlier that day before I go there, but when I picked it up it wasn't running. So just one of them situations. But yeah guys, I'm finna go ahead and put the timing back up and then get back with you. Let me show you what I do, show you the mark sign, stuff like that for the 99 Honda Civic. Alrighty guys, so we're back. As you can see, car looking good, running.